Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Giordano. Happy Friday. So again, this Friday, we have Friday Free Choice. So you are going to see in Seesaw the same kind of template like you saw last week. You're going to have different prompts this week. So there's going to be new ones up for narrative, letter, informative, and an opinion. So you get to choose one, and then you can write in your writer's notebook, write it on the notepad, and then you're going to upload it into Seesaw for your teachers. Okay, just a few things. Remember that a narrative writing piece has story elements that make up a narrative story. So there's a title, there's characters that explain who they are, there's a setting, where and when. There is a plot, which lists events, first, next, finally, and then make sure to have a beginning, a middle, and an ending. In a letter writing, okay, you want to make sure that you have a heading when the letter was written, okay, put the date of your letter, put a greeting, who is this letter going to? Maybe you're writing to your grandparents or to a friend or to the mayor, okay? Remember that the body of the letter is what you are writing about. So whatever that question is, that's where the body of the letter that you're responding to, and that goes there. The closing, remember you can choose a closing, sincerely, love, your friend, make sure to put a comma after that. Your signature is going to go underneath your closing. That's super important that you put it underneath. And that tells who the letter is from. Informational writing. Remember, good writers can organize their writing to inform a topic about what they know. Okay, so if you know all about soccer or you know all about dance, that's something that maybe you are going to talk about. Remember the main idea that tells what your topic is about. You're going to list at least 3 facts about your topic. Make sure to give supporting details for each fact. You can include some transition words, next, then, first, and then at the end, conclude with a brief summary about that topic that you're writing about. An opinion writing. Good writers can write about their own opinion. Remember, it's what you feel strongly about, right? It's if you love chocolate ice cream, but maybe I love strawberry, right? That's my opinion. Okay, so remember the acronym OREO when you break it down. So the O stands for opinion, tell how you feel about that topic. The R stands for reason, give some reasons or information that support your opinion. The E stands for example, give an example or details that support your opinion. And the last O is another opinion, which tells how you feel about that topic again. Okay, so today you're going to make sure that you are going to choose one of these topics that is in Seesaw for your Friday free choice. Have fun, boys and girls. Have a great weekend.